Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix GCash Security Notice Accessibility Service Detected. Please disable it in settings to continue. So if you are getting this error in the GCash app, then here follow the fixes. So simply click on the settings option and then go to the downloaded apps, and in the downloaded app first go to the Android Assistant and turn it off. Again tap on turn off to confirm, then go back, then click on blue light filter and then turn it off. Tap on turn off to confirm. So you have to turn off everything in the downloaded apps. Click on link to Windows and then turn it off, and again tap on turn off to confirm. So in the downloaded apps, whatever installed apps is there, you have to turn off everything, and then you can go back, launch GCash, and then you can see that error has gone. So by this way you can fix the problem. Let me show you. If you enable the downloaded app, then you will get the error again. So go to settings, go to accessibility, again tap on accessibility, go to downloaded apps. Now if you turn on anything over here, then again you will see this error. So go to settings, go to downloaded apps and then turn it off. So by following these steps you can easily solve GCash security notice error accessibility service detected. Please disable it in settings to continue. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.